I'm Dr. Rafi Mumtaz, working here as professor at NAS School of Electrical Engineering, Computer Science, and also leading the NAS Coventry Internet of Things lab here. Today, I will going to talk about my project, which is known as Telecardio. It is one of the innovative projects in Pakistan, offering remote cardiac healthcare system. So this project is actually based on emerging technologies known as artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and edge computing, offering real-time ECG data recording and arrhythmia detection. So the scope of this project mainly revolves around healthcare systems, and it also extends to other aspects of medical care and also patient care. Telecardio helps medical practitioners and also its end users to leverage the latest technologies for their convenience by providing a solution which is faster, portable, and easily accessible. By leveraging the AI technology, ECG data can be analyzed very effectively, arrhythmia can be detected with high accuracy, and dependency on specialized skills and labor-intensive processes can be reduced. So this can obviously further help the medical practitioner to focus more on critical cases, thereby providing them timely interventions related to the cardiac care. So patients can upload their ECG data while doctors can review that data, analyze it, and then can provide their advanced medical prescriptions. Telecardio can be deployed in rural and underserved regions where medical care and medical specialists, they are quite rare and limited. So by leveraging the IoT technology and the concept of telemedicine, medical experts can provide medical care from afar, thereby reducing the need for frequent medical visits. Telecardio has a significant business potential by entering into the digital healthcare. So this device can be marketed to individual, to medical companies, and to the hospital by offering them subscription-based model for continuous monitoring or real-time patient monitoring. Telecardio Cloud's integrations further broaden its features by providing seamless data integration and remote consultations.